I love cooking, and I specifically love ending my dishes with that perfect complementary finishing salt. I have gotten so many different types of finishing salts over the years and am thrilled that Caravel Gourmet gifted me this set of sea salt finishing salts. Now, what makes these amazing to me is that the salt is sourced from really great locations throughout the world and then blended here in the USA. They're based in Washington State and they make really fantastic salts that are really well loved. I actually already use a few of Caravel's salts in my cooking, but I have not tried any of these. So let's check out all of these flavors. Now, before I try out the salts, I just want to point out that these are thoughtfully harvested, have very clean ingredients, and each come in their own separate tin that shows those ingredients on the back as well. And you really don't have to take my word for the quality on these. They have so many positive reviews for good reason. And this is the smoky bacon chipotle salt. You really taste the smoke and the bacon, and then it has a little bit of spice to round out the back end. This would be so amazing on roasted veggies. I can also see this shining on eggs. This is a really, really cool salt that has a lot of application. Now I'm gonna try the bamboo jade. This is just sea salt and bamboo leaf extract. The flavor on this one is much more subtle. It's definitely more salt forward than that chipotle bacon was, but I can taste that slight taste of something unique, a little nuance with the bamboo, and I could really see this shine with seafood, specifically lighter fish. It would have a really, really nice pop and add something a little extra that people might not expect. Now, the 5-pepper salt really is just a combination of salt, allspice, and a variety of different peppercorns. So of course this one's going to be fantastic and very versatile for any dish. And you don't actually need to use this one as a finishing salt. You can use this one in your cooking as well. The pepper really shines in this, and I think it's because of those variety of peppers it includes. This is so good. I could see using this on all my meat dishes, putting this in my salad dressing, adding this to mashed potatoes, really anywhere. This one is going to run out real fast, and I'm gonna need a larger tin. Now let's give the garlic medley a try. This is another one that I think will really shine during cooking, as it has the salt, the garlic, the pepper, onion. It has a lot of different wonderful ingredients in it that I love cooking with. And this tastes like an elevated version of a more standard seasoning salt. It has all of those notes. It's very well rounded. This is great to cook with and add at the end. Really nice all around. And then we have the rosemary salt. This is just sea salt and rosemary. And I don't know how they did that, but this is perfect. I want to put this on a prime rib roast. I want to put this on chicken. This is going to shine on meat dishes during cooking and after. The flavor is really reminding me of that delicious flavor you get after cooking your meat in salt and rosemary, those drippings, that really wonderful flavor. This has right out of this jar. This is a really, really good one. And then you have the Hawaiian black lava salt. This one's incredible for a variety of reasons. It's harvested from the waters of Hawaii and then it has activated charcoal added to it. This is so good. It's slightly more coarse, so it has a bit of crunch. It has a little smokiness, and it's just beautiful. These are going to elevate your dishes in a way that will spoil you, and I can't imagine you not wanting more after you try this sampler set. I highly recommend Caravel's Infused Sea Salt Sampler. This is incredible.